So clean up time after that DA001 with the DC41 Mk2. As you can see, it's in very clean condition. I've just cleaned it up myself. There's the energy label. As you can see, it gets an A on carpets, hard floors, emissions, everything. This is a cyclone and bin unit, which I have modified. So it's entirely purple, but the cyclones themselves are actually grey, because the early DC41 cyclones are slightly better at capturing fine dirt. So the filter should stay cleaner for longer. But yeah, I made a bit of a mess because Hetty fell down with the filter. A bit of fine dust there. More grit from emptying the DC01 out, and I just quickly went over the hose with the Henry. So yeah, let's see what this picks up. So the bin is empty right now. You can see it's entirely clean. Let's see what we get. And yes, by the way, this has an updated motor as well at 1300 watts compared to 700 watts originally. So here we go. Wow. That was the paint then. Okay, so here's the finished results. The carpet's now fully, perfectly vacuumed, apart from under those chairs right there. But this thing has picked up quite a substantial amount of dirt. Now let's do a bin dump on this blue carpet so you can see properly what it's picked up. A ton of grit. Fine, ultra gritty grit. Bit of fluff as well, but wow. That's done really well. Now let's clean that up again. This thing's actually got a lot of power, which is why I like it so much. So let's clean this up now. Look at that. That was on max. And after that, I forgot there's a missing filter in there. Wow. Okay. At least he has a good cyclone, because imagine if this thing didn't have good cyclones, the motor would have been caked with dust by now. Anyways, let's give it another go without the max mode, because the thing is, if you put it on max, right, it pushes down this rubber strip on the front, as you can see, and therefore it blocks up the gap in the front. There's like a slight gap for large debris to be picked up. It's not a channel, it's just a slanted slope. But if you take it off the max mode, it will apparently vibrate the debris better. So let's give that a go. Not much. Okay, so this has been the post cleanup of the Dyson DA001 on the left, which is the first Dyson vacuum, compared to one of the newest Dyson vacuums. It's not the latest anymore, but it was back in 2017-ish. Look at these two side by side. You can just really tell how much technology is advanced. It's pretty awesome. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Powers786, your host, signing out. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.